Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi A3 key battery. First, gather your essential tools, a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task can be done quickly at home, saving you a trip to the dealership. We'll go through each step carefully to ensure a smooth and successful battery replacement. Let's get started with the process. Next, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side and press it to slide out the emergency key blade. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob casing should separate. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. Take your time with this step. Now it's time to replace the battery. Inside the open fob, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Before removing it, pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This is crucial for proper function. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until they click securely into place. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its housing until you hear a click, indicating it's fully seated. Now, test your key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking your Audi A3, to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You've successfully changed your key battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.